But now if a disruptive innovation raises its head, now all of a sudden the performance zone has got to realize, our future is now, there's now an end to our future. I mean, Kodak film is not going to last forever, right? And so we have to figure a way to transition to the new world. And by the way, we're going to go through what we call a J curve, meaning we're going to perform a lot worse before we perform better, because we've had a really sweet deal with our existing category. And now we're going to go into a new category where, frankly, our customers don't really know if we belong there. Our partners don't know if we belong there. We're not very good at this new category yet. And so for all those reasons, we have to challenge ourselves to step up. And so what it requires the company to do is, first of all, to understand it's going through a transformation. The only person who can really lead this is the CEO, because the CEO is going to turn to everybody in the entire company and saying, we are going to reprioritize to privilege the next generation paradigm and to take resources out of our most profitable businesses and put them into our least profitable businesses and do it at scale. And that's a horrible thing to say to people. And your investors, by the way, do not like it when you say this. But the fact of the matter is that's how you transform. And so the companies that have transformed have had very powerful, charismatic leaders like a Steve Jobs or a Bill Gates or a Larry Ellison or Reed Hastings at Netflix or whatever you want to say. And they've done that. But most companies try to say, well, that's too dramatic. I have a bunch of colleagues. We need to be more collaborative. We need to be more consensus driven. And you can't, that doesn't get you through a transformation. And so you see a lot of companies go sideways or frankly go down. And the whole point of Zone to Win was, I don't want that to happen. I want existing incumbents to be able to have a future and to continue to serve their customers successfully. And so, but to do that, you have to be able to use this zone framework effectively.